So you're creating your last will and testament and are wondering where you start and what you need to accomplish. There are a few essential elements of creating your last will and testament that you want to consider before moving forward. First is going to be who's going to implement it? Who's going to actually settle your estate after you're gone? This will be the person who is empowered with the responsibility to probate that will, settle your estate, pay any debts that may be outstanding, but ultimately make sure that your family can carry on after you've passed away. That's what we call the executor. So the appointment of an executor is going to be an important aspect of creating a last will and testament. And it's not good enough to just have one. We generally want to have some alternates, some contingencies built in the event that you create this will, something happens to your named executor and you just haven't gotten around to change it. And so ideally, we're appointing 2 or 3 people in order in the event that something happens unexpected. Number 2 is going to be if you have minor children, we're going to be appointing a guardian in the event that they are still a minor when you pass away and they have no living natural parent or adoptive parent. Then this is going to be the person who takes over raising your children until they reach the age of 18 or the age of majority. Again, we don't just want one option, we want several if possible. And it's generally a good idea to appoint one person at a time, even if that person is married to someone else. The goal here is we want to vest legal responsibility in one person, even if the practical day-to-day will be accomplished by them as a couple. If they were to divorce, which of the 2 would you want raising your children? And 3 is going to be the actual distribution of your assets that are controlled by the will itself. Often this is going to be personal property, real estate in your name, and then financial assets that are not subject to a beneficiary designation. When we're thinking about our beneficiaries, we want to think about a few things. Who gets what, right? Who are the actual beneficiaries? How do they get it? Is it all at once or is it over a period of time? And in what share do they get it? Is it equal or some sort of unequal distribution of shares on a fraction or percentage basis? Those are generally the high-level considerations that we want to make sure that we're accomplishing when we're creating our last will and testament.
It's time to take control of your legacy. Click the link below to start the process.